Gold being at the price level it's at right now, although it's probably going to go lower with the dollar, skyrocketing to the moon, putting in another lower high on the daily time frame. We're in a clear downtrend, and let's see if we got any divergences in a target for gold. I know a lot of you gold bugs are still out there, and slew of lower highs. And do we have the 4-drive philosophy in place? So if we were coming back from this high right here, that is a clear high, okay? I'll mark that off as a high. So let's just play around with this a little bit here for gold. So that would be the first high. 1, 2 drives. 2 drives is not enough for me. However, we do have the death cross there. And, oh, do we have a high back here? Do we have a high back here? That is the question. So if we call this a high by definition, which actually, yeah, this is technically a high right here. In my opinion, as soon as we closed above there, right? We shot up to the silver cross, perfect test of the silver cross, perfect sell right there. And, so low, high, right? So if we did, this isn't a real clear stop and reverse point in my opinion, not really clear. However, a bounce there, high here. So if we took it back to here, to this point, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drives of hidden bearish divergence. And not only would that give us a shot to the bottom side of the range, but where I would expect gold to at least minimum head down here. Ooh, this could be the finisher. This could be the finish, not the finisher for gold, but one of the best buying opportunities we've seen in years for gold. Here's the target on gold. Here's the target on gold based off of the 4-drive philosophy. And notice how this lines up here perfectly. So this was the 4th drive, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And you take the fib low to the high. It didn't line up perfectly. If we take actually this guy right here. Yeah. So what you do is you take the prior high to the low. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. I can't even tell you. So exciting. I just figured this out over the weekend. Got the 4 drives. So you take the retracement from the low to the high and boom, right to the 1618. Doesn't even stop at the 2618. And this could very well be the 5th drive, which I'm a little bit hesitant to call that one out, but next target's down for gold, downtrend. Let's see if we got anything on the weekly time frame giving us even more of a bias. So is this a high right here? No, but this is. This is a high right here. And that bearish divergence is going to come way back. Way back. On the weekly time frame, we confirm. Oh yeah, gold's about to get shook. Shook to the downside, Mr. Gold. And why is that? Okay. Hidden bearish divergence. Actually, is that the point right there? Yeah. Hidden bearish divergence on gold. Right now, I should record a separate video on this, but I'm just going to throw it down here. And we could have it from this point all the way up over here. Look at this. That's more of a clear high. A clear stop and reverse right here. High. Okay. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 drives of hidden bearish divergence. Took a long time for that to play out. Talking about March 2020, September 2019, August 2019. Here we are, August 2022. So 2 years. Gold, slow as molasses. And I would expect at a minimum to revisit these lows, but that is a silver cross to the downside. We had the golden cross and the silver cross way back here, and now is it all going to reverse to the downside as the dollar explodes? And what I would say is 1, 2, 3, 4 drives. So if we go from the prior high to the low, prior low to the high, on a bearish retracement, prior low to the high, let's be conservative. Yeah. Conservative would be like this. Gold down to 1440, which lines up right here. And that's what I'm going to call it for gold. Dollar up, gold down. I'm going to clip this video. I'm really excited about this, guys, because we know where the market's going. And this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm going to put that at the beginning of the video, at the end of the video. This is just for your entertainment. Hope you have a blessed and highly favored day. Let's talk soon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.